My name's Arun. We're from Black Belly.
I'm Scott Ebeneth. I am with Angelo Saverna and Carboy Winery.
My name is Patrick McCready. I'm the chef over at Stoke and Genuine.
Well, we're going to start off doing some oysters. It's one of the Angelo's kind of signatures.
We're doing a pork cheek that has been confit in Berkshire pork fat.
We're doing an albacore sashimi plate with watermelon sorbet.
We're doing a little pea and prosciutto plate with some of our house-made prosciutto.
Seared lamb loin, some caponata.
And we're doing a brown butter poached halibut.
My favorite food, as far as individual thing, oh man, that's a tough one.
French fries.
Pasta, just anything simple.
I'm going to go with ramen right now.